This will be a quick video, but one that may be helpful to someone. So I was working on a tiered tray, and here's a photo of it, just something for Halloween. And I always run the scores or engraves first so I can just use the exhaust and not use air. But when it got to this piece here, it skipped. So this side should look just like this side, but it skipped. And so I just reran it, done it again, and messed up another piece of wood. It wasn't quite as bad, but it still messed up. So I got a really good light, and I started checking everything. And of course, I thought the worst, but I had just yesterday cleaned my laser head and cleaned the rails and re-greased it. So I started checking the rails. I know this is kind of close, but you know what the rails look like. And I checked all of the rollers everywhere to see if I could find anything. And I did. I found, I hope that wheel's in the view. Maybe. There we go. So here, if you can see that little bit of trash, I'm trying not to bump this camera. This little bit of trash, all greased up, was stuck on that wheel. It was kind of on the edge, so it wouldn't, I mean, that's a lot, so it should have just knocked it completely off, but it was stuck in here off to the side, and it was hitting that rail, and it made it jump. So when you do clean your laser and you re-grease your rails, be sure that you smooth out the grease really good, and you check those rails. Clean them real good first, and then when you re-grease them, make sure you don't leave any small clumps of your petroleum. Just spread it out really good. And it's a good idea when you clean it to just take a rag, hold it up against the wheel, move your laser head back and forth, and even on the sides where you have rollers, do that, and then just check your rails really good to make sure there's nothing there. So I know this is quick, but maybe it's helpful. If it was, please like and subscribe. It certainly helps the channel grow, and it keeps me out in the shop. So just check back often for new videos. You folks take care, and we'll see y'all next time. Thank you.